Welcome to ASK Tutorials. This is our 9th video of a C programming series. If you are not seen our previous videos, then watch it. I gave link into the description box. We are learning C operators. In the previous video, we learned the arithmetic operators and relational operators in a C programming. In today's video, we will learn logical operators in a C language. First, we will see what is a logical operators. These operators are used to perform the logical operations on a given two variables. There are three types of logical operators present in a C language. They are: first one is a logical AND, second one is a logical OR, and third one is a logical NOT operator. The following table shows all the logical operators supported by a C language. Here we are assumed as a variable A holds value 1 and a variable B holds value 0. Then this is a table. First we are seeing AND operator, which is denoted by the ampersand symbol. The AND operator tells that if both the operands are non-zero, then the condition becomes true. It tells that if both the variables holds value as a non-zero, then condition becomes true. In the example, we are seeing the result as a false because the variable A holds 1 value and variable B holds as a 0 value as we assumed. So we got result as a false because the condition of a AND operator telling us that if both the variables holds non-zero value, then only the condition become true. So here we got result as a false. The next operator is a OR operator, which is denoted by pipes. The all logical OR operator, if any of the two operands is a non-zero, then condition becomes true. It tells that any of the operand is containing non-zero value, then the condition becomes true. Here we got result as a true because here we assumed A as a 1 and B as a 0. One of the value is a non-zero, that is a A. So we got result as a true here. The third operator is a NOT operator, which is denoted by the exclamation mark. The called logical non-operator, it is used to reverse the logical state of its operand, and if a condition is a true, then logical NOT operator make it a false. Means if the condition comes answer as a true, then NOT operator will convert into the false. Let's see the example. In the example, we are combining NOT operator with AND operator. So first we will check the condition for AND operator, then we will convert into that. Next we will convert that condition into the NOT operator. For AND operator, we got result as a false already according to the rule of a AND operator. So we got result as a false there, then it will convert the result into NOT operator. By using NOT operator, the result will be true according to the rule of a NOT operator. This is how the operator works in a C. Logical operators. Now we will see one example for the logical operator. First we are declared here the preprocessor command, then we are declared the main function. Inside that we declared the variable A as a 0 and B as a 10. Then we are checking the condition for a AND operator, that is if AND B. In the bracket we are written AND A and B. Then we are printing a statement if a condition is a true. Next, else the condition is a not true. The AND operator tells us that if the both values are non-zero, then only the condition will be true. but here we are taken A as a 0 and B as a 10. So we will get result as a condition is a not true according to the rule of a AND operator. So we got output as a condition is a not true. This is how we learned the logical operators in a C language. And thank you for watching the video. In the next video we will see the remaining operators.